Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm taking unit 3, that is continuation of probability and probability distribution. So in the previous video I've taken a basic introduction on binomial probability distribution. So I've left the link in the description below. You can go back to my previous video and check that out. If you see that video, you'll understand how to use all the formulas and all in this sum. So in this particular video I'm taking examples on binomial probability distribution. So here is the first sum. So I will tell you all stepwise how to solve this sum. And so let's start. The probability that a pen manufactured by a company will be defective is 1 by 10. Now if 12 such pens are manufactured, find the probability that exactly 2 will be defective, none will be defective, and at least 2 will be defective. There are three things that we have to find from the given sum. Now first we will write what is given in the sum. So solution. First, what is given? 12 such pens. So this will be n. So our small n is equal to 12 we can write. Then now binomial probability distribution will have two things. That is the success and the failure of any sum. So as I've told in the previous video, P will be the probability of success and Q will be the probability of a failure. So now we have to find P and Q. They have given that a pen is manufactured and the defective rate will be 1 by 10. So probability of defective pen, which is P, is equal to 1 by 10. That is 0.1. Now we have to remove Q. Now if you remember, there was one statement which I told you all to remember in the previous video, that is P plus Q is equal to 1. So now if we want to remove Q, it will be 1 minus P is equal to Q. So Q is equal to 1 minus P, that is 1 minus 1 by 10 is equal to, it is 0.9. So now we have two things. We have P, we have Q, also we have N. Now when we have what is given, now we'll start finding things. The first thing is exactly 2 will be defective. Exactly 2 defective. Now what do you mean by exactly 2 defective? That is, we have to find P of 2. Now the formula for binomial probability distribution is this, P of R. Now we have R. Now we have to find the P of 2. So the formula is P of R is equal to NCR P raised to R Q raised to N minus R. We have R as 2, we have the value of N, we have the value of P and the value of Q. We have to just put in the values and solve the sum. That is P of 2, N is 12, C, R is 2, P raised to R, that is again 2, and our P is 0.1. 0.1 raised to. Now we have Q over here. Our Q value is 0.9. तो हम डालेंगे यहाँ पे 0.9 raised to N. We have N as 12 and we have R as 2. So now we can simplify this. That is P of 2 is equal to 12C2, 0.1 raised to 2, 0.9 raised to 10. Now this entire thing you can put in the calc and you can solve it directly. And whatever answer you get, I will write here the answer. You can see this for reference. That is, it is 0.2301. You will get the answer somewhere around this. Then you are right. Now we have the second case, that is none will be defective. Now we can write over here RB. I will use a different color so it will be easy for understanding. So none will be defective. Now what do you mean by none will be defective? We have P of 0. None means it is 0. So therefore we will write P of 0. The formula will be, so R will be 0. So therefore N is 12, C 0, 0.1 raised to 0. Then you have 0.9 raised to 12 minus 0, which is 12. So now you can put everything inside the calc and you can find the answer. I'll write the answer over here. You can refer it. This is just the thing that you have to enter all the values inside the calc as it is, and then you will get a solution. So over here I will tell you how to solve this 12C0. if you see here this is a calci. So we can write 12. Then we have C over here. This one. 12C 0. So if you saw this, it will give you the answer 1. So therefore this is the way you have to find this answer. So the remaining you all know how to solve it. We have to just write these things inside the bracket and we'll get an answer. So the answer I'll write over here, it is 0.2824. You will get somewhere near this, then you are right. Then the third thing is what we have to find, at least 2 will be defective. Now this one is very important and very useful also. At least 2 will be defective. Now what do you mean by at least 2 will be defective? It is कम से कम 2 will be defective. That is 2 या 2 से ज़्यादा भी हो सकते हैं. That is 2 and more than 2 can be defective. So in this case it will be P of 2 plus P of 3 plus P of 4 until P of 12. So if we go to solve each and everything, it will become very lengthy. So we have a shortcut, that is 1 minus, we have P of 0 plus P of 1. So this is a short way to solve this kind of sums. Okay. So that is 1 minus, we can write over here, R is 0. So keeping R as 0, we can write the formula, that is 12C0, 0.1, that is a P raised to 0, 0.9 raised to 12 minus 0, we have plus. Now this part, we have to keep R as 1. So 12C1, RP is 0.1 raised to 1, 0.9 raised to 12 minus 1. So now this thing is ready with the formula. Now only thing you have to do is put these things in the calci and find the answer. So I'll leave that part for you all. I'll just write the answer over here for reference purpose. That is 0.3411. So this is the answer. If you get the answer nearby somewhere, then you are right. So that is it for today, guys. This is the final answer, this one. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. In the upcoming videos, I'll be taking more examples on binomial probability distribution. Also, I upload videos from Monday to Saturday. So until then, keep watching. Thank you.